Oh gosh, I can't even pronounce the name of the company. How am I going to invest on them? But they made 70% increase in the last week. So today I'm going to speak about Twilio and how I missed this boat, and is it a buy this time? Hello, welcome back to my channel, Family Investment. My name is Alex Ko, and today I'm going to speak about Twilio. I did it right, Twilio. A company called Twilio. I ignored them. I missed the boat. In fact, I even got a message of one of my viewers, my readers, who spoke, said, Alex, is Twilio a buy? And I never replied. And a week later, boom, it's gone up 70% after the earnings call Q1. That's how the cloud-based communication company has exploded. So let's explain Twilio. I don't think many of you will know Twilio, but you don't realize that you've been using Twilio. Big companies that you've signed up for online deliveries or service company has been using Twilio in the background. You're not knowing it. So just a 101. So Twilio is basically a cloud-based company. So if you run a business, you run a coffee shop, for example, or a delivery company, Twilio is a communication base between for you and your customer. So you as a customer might be on your phone saying, delivery is coming in 2 hours. You say, wow. And then you go on your phone and you reply, at what time exactly? And then bam, a response that comes back. That's Twilio. Or you may be checking a phone bill on your phone. You disagree with your internet bill. And you go on Facebook Messenger, or you go on your chat, WhatsApp group, or the online chat bot, speak to somebody, and then there's a human response at the end. Really, really quick. That's Twilio. Twilio is basically a cloud-based communication company that brings everything together. Big clients they use, you've got Uber, Lyft, Deliveroo, and they've got clients all over the world using social media communication base to suit the customer. Twilio makes it work for companies, the people working from home, the customer-based service that can sit behind the screen at home with a great internet connection and then sell and then speak to the customers and make the business go on regardless of COVID-19 or not. With COVID-19 changing the face of people working from home and how businesses work, Twilio will be a key role player in there for companies to code, to bespoke, make it easy, bespoke the way that you want your companies to work, how you speak to your customers and how you gel the software, your IT infrastructure together. That's what Twilio is about. And that's how they benefit from this COVID-19, and they will benefit from post-COVID-19, the post-2020 era that we want to forget. But what will change is how we work from home. So back to the earnings call. So Twilio, back in September, if you check the history for Twilio, back in September, I think in the Q3 earnings, they went to $145. They eventually made the revenue, they broke the barrier for $1 billion sales revenue for the first time. They were celebrating, they were enjoying everything. They were sitting by $145. And then, I think around about Q4, there was a bit of a scandal with them exposing of a genuine mistake on the accounts and their forecast result. There was mistake made delivering. Such a big billion-dollar company making mistake, they were not forgiven and they were being hammered. The share price was dropping for almost 6 months. COVID-19 came in, pushed it all the way to as close to under $80 a share. From $145 to $80 a share. And now with the earnings call, business as usual, shot up to 170, hitting almost 180 now. I missed that boat. I think many people missed that boat as well. When there were revenue at $1 billion, they were 145 and now they're 170, breaking barriers. So in fact, the increase was just 145 to 170. So sometimes you shouldn't just look at the price of shares. You should look at the revenue and how the business is going. So that scandal, that issue about them making mistake has got nothing to do with the business. And people who caught the price up from 80 to 170. So they've gone from a $12 billion company to a $25 billion company in a week. That's how the price changed. Share price have changed with obviously the record and their growth of revenue this quarter. 331 million last Q, and now they've gone 379 million with all the changes from companies working from home, people using call centers more, increasing call centers, education companies, healthcare, food deliveries are using Twilio more. So companies are actually jumping onto it. They're gaining more customer base. So the changing face of the business. Think by the end of the year, Twilio will be worth $200 per share easily. More clients are joining up. People are hearing about how businesses are working. American businesses are working using Twilio. European business will start using it. The Far East Asian business, Southeast Asian business, Australian, the Canadians will start using Twilio a bit more. All these multinational companies, they want to make things work and fast and quick. Why build a whole cloud infrastructure? Why build a whole IT infrastructure just and hire new people when you can just sign up to Twilio? And the great thing about Twilio's business model is you pay for how much you use. So if you're a small coffee company that uses Twilio and you've only got 100 to 150 base customer per day, then Twilio will only charge you that much communication, that much licenses. But if you might run a groceries company in the south of Midland to 50,000 clients on a weekly basis, then you pay for that much on a client on a weekly basis. That's how Twilio works. And the fact that Twilio helps people to code and share. It's affordable just now. So Jeff Lawson, the CEO, says Twilio is still affordable for people to use. It's easy to use. And that's opportunity. That's how Twilio is. So for me, will I buy Twilio now since I've missed the boat? I've missed the boat many times. I missed the boat. And will I buy Twilio? For me, Twilio, I would only buy them around about $135 to $150 mark. That's how much they're worth when they hit the 1 billion. That's, technically from last Q3, Q4 to now, they've jumped up. They smashed all expectation, but they don't jump that much. They did jump up quite a significant 25% revenue for that quarter. But, year on year old comparison, 2019 and 2020, yeah, that's what you expect for a growth company. Yes, the COVID-19 might help push the business a bit more, accelerate the business a bit more, but that's what I expect from 2019 to 2020. So around about the 135 to 150 mark, I've set on my phone, if they go below that point, boom, I'll be buying Twilio. I'm making my first move. But at the moment, I'm not going to be buying that at 170, 178, because like you said, share price is what you pay, value is what you get. If you buy too expensive, then therefore, you're just risking your portfolio. If it drops down, you're holding on a loss for a significant period. Twilio, it's a growth stock, a cloud-based company growth stock. So if you want more cloud-based technology in your portfolio, Twilio is something that you should consider. And buy the right price, obviously. This is my personal opinion. But it's up to you to do your analysis, your research online, everything's online, and see how you value that company. Great CEO, great product, plenty of room to grow, and I like the business model on pay what you use model rather than a huge subscription like Azure or Salesforce. So Twilio is still affordable. It's trying to make not just big companies, also the smaller companies work for them. So Twilio is a great buy at the right price. I missed the boat. Hopefully this message is everyone to put it on their watch list, not to miss the boat again on Twilio. And I hope I pronounced the word Twilio properly. The last thing I want is Jeff Lawson come up to me and says, "Hey dude, you pronounced my company wrongly." No, that's not how I speak, but Okay, so thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe, and hopefully in future I'll share more about Twilio. And have a good day. Bye.